Okay, to scale a graphic within Illustrator, you want to be on this initial V selection tool. Then you're going to hover over one of the lower right, I always do the lower right anchor point. Hold down Shift because you want to be proportionate in your scaling. Click, drag, and drop. Now, if you're on the direct selection tool, this might actually, I'm going to click off first. This might actually move something behind it. Sometimes there's an initial frame. This one doesn't have it. Your graphic might have it. So I'm not really sure if yours, I don't know why yours is going away, but that is how you scale and drag graphics. Make sure you're within these tools. And the other point is make sure your graphic only is one graphic. Sometimes the graphic you pull down might have a layer over it. In that case, you can certainly open up layers and check that way to make sure that your graphic only has layers. Now, if your or only is one particular graphic. Now, if I click here, you'll note that it looks like it's a bounding box around when really you want to work with maybe just the graphic itself. So I'll zoom in here real quick. You can see what I mean. In that case, there's this pen tool. You can add and delete anchor points. So if I deleted this anchor point, it's telling me it doesn't want to. We kind of got to make sure we've got this anchor point open. I don't know if this graphic's going to let me do it, which is fine, but your graphic might actually be forcing you your graphic might actually be manipulating your image, and you don't want that. So make sure you're on the main selection tool, and when you're scaling, make sure you hold down Shift and you click and scale that way. And to move things around, make sure you're not in this tool because that's the direct selection, and that's going to target whatever's inside. If this doesn't help, please let me know. If you could take a few screen captures. Again, that was really helpful for me, so I could help you. Okay, Tammy, thank you.